welcome you to another edition of Learn Yoruba with Taiwo. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Taiwo. Orúkọ mi ni Taiwo. After today's class, you'll be able to tell time in Yoruba. The questions commonly used to ask for time are: Kí ni aago sọ? Kí ni aago sọ? Àti aago mélòó ló lù? Kí ni aago sọ? Aago mélòó ló lù? Wọ́n jẹ́ ìbéèrè méjì tí a máa ń sábà fi ń béèrè àsìkò tàbí aago. Kí ni aago sọ? Now the meaning. Kí ni aago sọ? What is it by the time? Kí ni aago sọ? What is it by the time? Aago mélòó ló lù? Aago mélòó ló lù? What time is it? What time is it? I have 2 lessons that will be useful for quick learning today. First is my lesson on how to ask questions in Yoruba, and the second is the video on numbers, because you need the knowledge of numbers to be able to tell the time. You must know from number 1 to 30 to be able to tell time in this language. So, check my videos on how to ask questions in Yoruba and numbers. See link below to help you. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a wá wo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí a ó bá pàdé nínú ẹ̀kọ́ yìí. That is, those words we need to take note of. Wákàtí. Wákàtí meaning hours. Wákàtí, hours. Aago, time. Aago, time. Ìṣẹ́jú. Ìṣẹ́jú, minutes. Ìṣẹ́jú, minutes. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, that is seconds. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, seconds. Ọwọ́ kékeré, minute hand. Ọwọ́ kékeré, minute hand. Ọwọ́ ńlá, hours hand. Ọwọ́ ńlá, hours hand. Ààbọ̀. Ààbọ̀, that is half. Ààbọ̀, half. It's usually used to depict 30 minutes. Kọjá. Kọjá, past or after. This word is used for numbers from 12 and 6 indicated in color red. So, kù, that is 2 or before. 2, before. This word is used for numbers between 6 to 12, color blue. So, let's start. How do you say it's 1 o'clock in Yoruba language? How do you say it's 1 o'clock? You say aago kan ló lù. Aago kan. Aago kan. Then if it is 2 o'clock, if it's 2 o'clock, aago méjì. Aago méjì. Then if it is 3, aago mẹ́ta. Aago mẹ́ta. 4, aago mẹ́rin. Aago mẹ́rin. 5, aago márùn-ún. Aago márùn-ún, like mẹ́fà. Aago méje. Aago mẹ́jọ. Aago mẹ́sàn-án. Aago mẹ́wàá. aago mọ́kànlá, aago méjìlá. Méjìlá means 12. 12. Like nínú aago, yálà ti ọwọ́ tàbí ti ògiri, òǹkà 1 sí 12 ni a kọ síbẹ̀ tí ó dúró fún wákàtí 12 ti àárọ̀ àti wákàtí 12 ti alẹ́. That is, on the clock, number 1 to 12 are displayed and can be read as 12 hours for AM and 12 hours for PM. For example, to differentiate between 9 AM and 9 PM, you add àárọ̀ and alẹ́ respectively. Like this, aago mẹ́sàn-án àárọ̀, that is 9 AM, and aago mẹ́sàn-án alẹ́ for 9 PM. So, AM is for morning and means àárọ̀. AM for morning and means àárọ̀, while PM is for afternoon and evening, that is ọ̀sán àti alẹ́ respectively. For example, 12 AM. For example, 12 AM is aago méjìlá àárọ̀. 12 AM is aago méjìlá àárọ̀. 4 AM is aago mẹ́rin àárọ̀. 10 AM is aago mẹ́wàá àárọ̀. 10 AM is aago mẹ́wàá àárọ̀, while 12 PM is aago méjìlá ọ̀sán. 12 PM is aago méjìlá ọ̀sán. Up to 4 PM, it's aago mẹ́rin ọ̀sán. 8 PM is aago mẹ́jọ alẹ́. 8 PM, aago mẹ́jọ alẹ́. I also have a video on time and season in Yoruba. It will help you to know when to use àárọ̀, ọ̀sán, àti alẹ́. You can quickly check it out. Now, let's say 7:30. Aago méje àbọ̀. To say 7:30 in Yoruba, aago méje àbọ̀. So, we say half instead of 30. Àbọ̀ la máa ń lò dípò òǹkà ọgbọ̀n. A máa ń lo àbọ̀ láti dípò òǹkà ọgbọ̀n. You can do this for any number, but don't forget to add àárọ̀, ọ̀sán, or alẹ́ as appropriate. For example, 11:30 AM is aago mọ́kànlá ààbọ̀ àárọ̀. Aago mọ́kànlá ààbọ̀ àárọ̀. Then 2:30 PM becomes aago méjì àbọ̀ ọ̀sán. 2:30 PM becomes aago méjì àbọ̀ ọ̀sán. And 6:30 PM is aago mẹ́fà àbọ̀ alẹ́. Aago mẹ́fà àbọ̀ alẹ́. For numbers between 1 and 29 minutes after a particular hour. For example, 11:10 AM. You say, aago mọ́kànlá kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá àárọ̀. 11:10 AM. You say, aago mọ́kànlá kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá àárọ̀. Notice the word kọjá. Kọjá, which means after. Kọjá means after. And ìṣẹ́jú, which means minutes. Ìṣẹ́jú means minutes. Now let's do it again. 11:10 AM. 11:10 AM. Aago mọ́kànlá, that is 11. Aago mọ́kànlá, 11. kọjá after ìṣẹ́jú minutes mẹ́wàá 10 àárọ̀ a.m. Aago mọ́kànlá kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá àárọ̀. Aago mọ́kànlá kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá àárọ̀. That's 11:10 a.m. Now let's observe another example. 8:20 a.m. or 20 minutes past 8 a.m. Aago mẹ́jọ kọjá ìṣẹ́jú ogún àárọ̀. Aago mẹ́jọ kọjá ìṣẹ́jú ogún àárọ̀. Aago mẹ́jọ kọjá ìṣẹ́jú ogún àárọ̀. Or aago mẹ́jọ kọjá ogún ìṣẹ́jú àárọ̀. It is usually said this way because the second one sounds interesting. Can you do this? Okay. Aago mélòó ló lù? Aago mélòó ló lù? That is, what is it by the time? Okay. 5:13 a.m. 13 minutes past 5. The answer is aago márùn-ún kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́tàlá àárọ̀. Aago márùn-ún kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́tàlá àárọ̀. Márùn-ún means 5 and mẹ́tàlá is 13. That's taken. Again, 7:23 p.m. That is 23 minutes past 7. The answer is aago méje kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́tàlélógún. Aago méje kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́tàlélógún alẹ́. Méje is 7, while mẹ́tàlélógún is 23. And you know alẹ́ is p.m. Okay. Remember, we use kọjá for time between 1 and 29. Remember, we use kọjá for time between 1 and 29 minutes after a specific hour. Now, how do you say 7:45 a.m.? How do you say 7:45 a.m.? How do you say 45 minutes past 7 a.m.? The easiest way to say this is aago mẹ́jọ fẹ́ lù. Aago mẹ́jọ fẹ́ lù. That is to 8. To 8. This is not very detailed, but it's acceptable. To a more detailed telling of time, you will be surprised that 7, that is méje, and 45 will not appear when you want to tell this time. So, you take the next hour, which is in this case 8. So, you say aago mẹ́jọ kù. Aago mẹ́jọ kù. Aago mẹ́jọ kù. Because we are moving to 8. And you know, 7:45 is same as 15 minutes to 8. That's the exact way to say it in Yoruba language. Aago mẹ́jọ kù ìṣẹ́jú márùndínlógún. Aago mẹ́jọ kù ìṣẹ́jú márùndínlógún. What about 7:38? Because 7:38 is the same as 22 minutes to 8. So 7:38 becomes aago mẹ́jọ kù ìṣẹ́jú méjìlélógún. Aago mẹ́jọ kù ìṣẹ́jú méjìlélógún. What about 9:50 a.m.? Aago mẹ́wàá kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá. Aago mẹ́wàá kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá. That is 10 minutes to 10. 10 minutes to 10. Then let's look at this. 8:48 a.m. 8:48 a.m. and 11:42 a.m. 8:48 a.m. and 11:42 a.m. Aago mẹ́sàn-án kù ìṣẹ́jú méjìlá àárọ̀. Aago mẹ́sàn-án kù ìṣẹ́jú méjìlá àárọ̀. That is because 8:48 is same as 12 minutes to 9. It means we start counting from 12, the number of minutes we need to get to that hour. For 11:42 a.m., for 11:42 a.m., aago méjìlá kù ìṣẹ́jú méjìdínlógún àárọ̀. Aago méjìlá kù ìṣẹ́jú méjìdínlógún àárọ̀. Finally, I will show you how to describe the time using the arms on the clock. This is important to convince people that you truly, really understand how to tell the time. You know, we usually have 3 arms that are moving or rotating on the analog clock, either wristwatch or wall clock. Biggest of this arm is the hour arm, as it tells us the current hour. In Yoruba, we call it ọwọ́ ńlá. Ọwọ́ ńlá. Òun ni ó máa ń sọ wákàtí tí a wà. The next arm is the minute arm, which we call ọwọ́ kékeré. Ọwọ́ kékeré in Yoruba. Òun ni ó máa ń sọ ìṣẹ́jú tí a wà. Òun ni ó máa ń sọ ìṣẹ́jú tí a wà. Remember, ìṣẹ́jú is minutes. Ìṣẹ́jú means minutes. The smallest arm is the second arm. Òun ni ó máa ń sọ ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. A kì í sábà fi ṣe àpèjúwe àkókò. Usually not used to describe time. So, look at the picture. This time is 4:25. 4:25. That is 25 past 4. So I describe it this way. Ọwọ́ ńlá wà lórí aago mẹ́rin. Ọwọ́ ńlá wà lórí aago mẹ́rin. Ọwọ́ kékeré wà lórí márùn-ún. That is 5. Ọwọ́ kékeré wà lórí márùn-ún tàbí òǹkà márùn-ún. Òǹkà àrùn. That is, the hour hand is on number 4, while the minute hand is on number 5. And you know, that is, aago mẹ́rin kọjá ìṣẹ́jú márùndínlógún. Aago mẹ́rin kọjá ìṣẹ́jú márùndínlógún. It's about 4:55. Ọwọ́ ńlá wà lórí aago mẹ́rin. Ọwọ́ kékeré wà lórí mọ́kànlá. That is 11. And the time is aago márùn-ún kù ìṣẹ́jú márùn-ún, or aago márùn-ún fẹ́ lù. Aago márùn-ún fẹ́ lù for short. We have come to the end of today's class, and I believe you can tell the time. Now, can you tell me the following time? Put your answer in the comment section below. Kí ni aago sọ? Kí ni aago sọ? What is it by the time? 6:14 a.m. 6:14 a.m. 5 5:47 p.m. 5:47 p.m. Aago mélòó ló lù? 1:35 p.m. 3:30 a.m. and 2:13 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn Yoruba with Taiwo. See you some other time. Ó dàbọ̀.